Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Lac Saguay is a charming village in the Laurentides region of Quebec. This area is known for its picturesque landscapes and a rich history that adds to its appeal. Situated by Lac Saguay, the village's name is thought to come from the Algonquin word sagwa, meaning unblock or pour, with some suggesting it could also mean river mouth. The lake is at the heart of local activities, which include fishing, canoeing, and nature exploration. The history of Lac Saguay traces back to 1905, when the construction of the Gwyn Road opened up new possibilities for settlers, connecting the region to other communities. The township was first named Boyer Party West, in honor of Arthur Boyer, and later became known as Lac Saguay in 1963. Since then, it has evolved into a peaceful village municipality, perfect for outdoor enthusiasts. With a small population, Lac Saguay has around 526 residents, mostly French-speaking, who enjoy the natural surroundings and community spirit. The Laurentides region is famous for its recreational activities, including hiking, hunting, and birdwatching, making it a popular spot for tourists and locals alike who love the outdoors. Thank you for joining us in discovering the beauty of Lac Saguay, Quebec.
Thanks for watching!